Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a WordPress site from a WPvivid backup. If you have ever broken your WordPress site with a bad update, a plugin conflict, or just a bad edit, you know that sinking feeling. The good news is, if you have ever been backing up with WPvivid, getting your site back is just a few clicks away. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to restore your WordPress site from a WPvivid backup step by step. Number one, you need to locate your backups. So first log in into your WordPress dashboard and then go to WPvivid, then click on backup and restore tab. You'll see a list of existing backups. So I'm the backup and restore, and then I have seen my list of existing backup. This is a manual backup. Find the backup you want to restore from. Each entry shows exactly the date and time and what's included. So in my case, I'm going to restore this manual backup. Next to your chosen backup, click on the restore icon. Here it is. It will look like a circular arrow. Then if you click on it, WPvivid will open a restore window, and once it's done, you click on restore. Then click on OK to continue. So WPvivid will show a restore progress bar as it works through the unpacking the files and restoring the database and rebuilding your site structure. Important note, do not close this tab or navigate away while it's running. Depending on your site size, this can take anywhere from 30 seconds to several minutes. Once it's done, WPvivid will show a success message. And that's it. Your site is back. This is exactly why having a reliable backup plugin matters. A hacked site, a bad update, or a hosting error doesn't have to mean starting over. If you haven't set automatic backups yet, check out our next video on scheduling. A link will be given in the description. See you in the next one.